Hi, my name is Vern Hao. You're watching Word of Health Show, Word, episode 19. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about one thing you should not do when you're at the gym. What is the one thing you should not do at the gym? You should not be looking at other people. Alright, it's simpler said than done. What you're going to do is usually when you go to the gym, you get dressed and you see all these nice looking people or people who are not so great looking, and then you look at them. Now, you don't want to do that because that's going to take away all your future focus and your results on what you want to do when you get to the gym. Why shouldn't you look at other people? Number one, it's going to keep you distracted. Your goal is supposed to work out, you're supposed to achieve your results. And then you look at someone and you feel that, hey, they're better looking than me, I like to look at them, they're pretty, or they are ugly, I don't like to see that person. It just takes your mind away from all that you're supposed to do in the gym. The second thing that happens is you're going to waste time. I'm going to waste your time because the moment you look at someone, you lose that 5 minutes, you lose that 2 minutes. You could be using that time to count your repetitions, or you could do 10 push-ups, you could do 3 leg raises, you could do 1 plank. All the time is being wasted. And number 3, you're going to just discourage yourself. When you go there, you're going to feel that, hey, they get greater looking, or hey, they are harder working than me. What's the point of going? They are paying the same amount as me, and I'm not as great as them. Just don't look at other people when you're in the gym. Focus on yourself. Focus on what you're there for. Get your results and get out. So I hope that helps. And this kind of debunks all the myth of gym rats. If you're someone who thinks that gym rats are people who take selfies, then you're wrong. Most of the people that go there are focused on what they're doing, and you should too. Word.